How to turn on or turn off groups notifications on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner, click right here, click on settings and privacy. Now after you click on settings and privacy, all what you have to do is click again on settings, and now go here, click on notifications. After you click on notifications, now all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down like this and you will find groups. Click on it. Now as you can see, you can enable or disable group notifications just from here easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.